Step-by-step guide, how we help you get your US visa. Want to live and work in the US, but confused about the visa process? Worried about documentation, legal steps and approvals? Don't worry, at EB1 Next Level we make the process simple, issue visas. We help you get approved. Step 1. Free consultation and profile evaluation. Journey starts with us understanding your case. We analyze your qualifications, background and visa eligibility, just the best visa category for your success. To all your questions before you begin. Ready? Let's move to the next step. Step 2. Personalized visa strategy and documentation support. Our experts create a winning strategy for your application. We guide you on gathering the right documents. We help draft strong recommendation letters and legal paperwork. Ensure your application stands out for approval. No confusion, no delays, just a clear path to success. 3. Application filing and submission. Our legal team prepares and submits your application with precision. We follow strict US immigration guidelines. Avoid common mistakes that lead to rejections. Ensure your paperwork is 100% correct and complete. Visa application is now in the best hands. Step 4. Interview preparation and support. Getting an interview? We train you for success. Conduct mock interviews with expert coaching. We teach you how to answer confidently. We help you prepare for any unexpected questions. Walk in with confidence. With approval. 5. Visa approval and next steps. If your visa is approved, we guide you further. We help you with post-approval formalities. We offer relocation advice and next steps for settling in the US. Your American dream is now a reality. Start your visa process today. At EB1 Next Level, we help you achieve your US visa goals with expert guidance, 100% personalized support. Limited slots available. Don't delay. Schedule your free consultation now.